What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we'll be talking about Tesla. Now, if you're from my NEO video, thank you so much for watching this second video. And if you're new, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, I do apologize that I have been gone for some time. I think it was like 5 days, but I am back. Going to try to get you two uploads a day. I know I used to do that, so I'm going to try to get back into that groove. And NEO Tesla is my normal rotation, and I was mentioning in my NEO video yesterday, or sorry, the one I just posted today, if you want to see another video you want me to put in my rotation of stocks, sorry, I didn't mean to hit my mic, but if you want to see me put another stock into my rotation where I do this analysis, please let me know in the comments below. I prefer it be a well-known stock, one that everyone can relate to, everyone that is in or maybe looking at, those other stocks that are undervalued or stocks that are cheap that people might not know about. They might not can relate to that stock. I mean, I don't have a problem with making those type of videos, on occasion. But if you do have a good suggestion where it's well known, everyone likes to look at it, and you would just like to see my analysis on that, please let me know in the comments below. But let's get right into this Tesla video, and let's take a look at what's happening. So, is Tesla crashing? That's the main focus of this video. Main focus that probably a lot of you investors have been and traders have been asking yourself. Is Tesla crashing? What's going on here? And we're just going to really get into this from a technical standpoint. Keep in mind, guys, news, I do watch news, but I don't use that for my analysis. But today's kind of special because something happened yesterday. If you're a Tesla fan, if you follow Tesla at all, or Elon Musk, if you're an Elon Musk fan, you know that yesterday he tweeted that basically Tesla is going to suspend their Bitcoin payments. They're suspending taking Bitcoin payments because they came out with this statement saying the energy consumption of Bitcoin, that burns fossil fuels, coals, and all that, that's the opposite of what Tesla stands for because they're an electric car company, right? So that totally goes against their whole business model. And they did note that they're not selling any Bitcoin, but they're not accepting any Bitcoin right now. The reason they're not selling it is for future transactions. So eventually they do hopefully start accepting Bitcoin again. They just want to see that transition to cleaner energy. Now, what do I think of it personally? I think it was manipulation, guys. I really do. If I was Elon and I was talking to the boards of directors, that might not know too much about Bitcoin, they might be some old heads up there. That's the excuse I would give them. Honestly, that's the excuse I would give them to drop the price. Now that, of course, is just speculation. You don't have to agree with that. And if you do have your own theory, please let me know in the comments below. But that's what I personally think. I think Elon, he's smart. He's a smart man. And I think, guys, if you saw the Bitcoin reaction yesterday when that happened, let me just pull it up. You guys will know what I'm talking about. And if I was Elon, I'd probably have said the same thing. But yeah, so this was when it came out. We hit lows of 45,000, pumped back up, and we're right now right around 50,000. So that's what happened with that. And of course, Tesla saw a huge bearish reaction in the after hours yesterday. It was like down to $8, and today it just kept falling. So it really messed with Tesla today. That's unfortunate, but now longer term, or even I think really probably in the next week or so, I really don't think this is going to matter, but I'm not going to be blind to what's happening or what could happen, and that's this level right here. If we continue to fall, if we don't turn around right here, I think we're hitting 524, guys, or close to it. Now let me delete some of this stuff right here because we're not here anymore, but the crazy thing that happened today, and what I didn't really want to see, is that we got underneath this level right here. So previously, we were making higher lows until we really broke underneath here. We were making higher lows. We were trending up, right? And then 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we broke out of it. And then yesterday we were right here like 580. I think that was where we at. But I was watching this wick right here, and then we were unable to hold it. We were unable to hold that wick. And then we just opened up, excuse me, guys, and we fell down. We opened up and we fell down, and we were unable to hold that area. So what I'm looking at for the moment is basically these two wicks right here. This wick right here, let me actually delete these circles so you can see it better. This wick right here, which is 560, we hit that today. We hit it previously over here, and over here we were hitting it. So 560, mental note, whatever. Watching that area, don't want us getting below today's lows. So today's lows was around 560. So that's the number I'm watching tomorrow. We get below today's lows, we're heading beeline straight to 524, okay? But if we hold it, I'm not going to feel comfortable ultimately until we get back above 644 at least. So we do have some room going, but when Tesla runs, it runs. It can get going. We've seen Tesla have over $100 day. So no problem. Tesla can run if it wants to run. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. But ultimately tomorrow, my main focus is it not getting below today's lows, which is around 560. If we stay above that, really want to see how much we push up. It is a Friday, so not expecting too much, but hopefully it is a good Friday and we do finish green. With regards to the overall market, today we were pumping up, came back down, pumping up, came back down. Now we're just kind of hanging out. So question tomorrow, is this just going to be a dead cat bounce, bear flag playing out, and we continue lower? Or is this a sign of reversal? Both will look the same, but they have different outcomes, obviously, right? So either we're going to push up, or we're going to come down and just really start heading back down. That's what we got to ask ourselves. But once again, I'd like to remind you what happened back here in February. We had this whole thing right here. Honestly, I think that's the same thing happening here. That's what I'm not worried at all. Not panicking at the market. Previously, yeah, when this happened, I was kind of worried because we hadn't got that low before. Recently, we've just been making higher lows. So this was the first time we really started coming down. But now we're doing the same thing, and I'm not too worried. This is what we needed. I think we're just cooling off a little bit. So hopefully we do start going with regards to Tesla. It is seeing a little bit of a downtrend. So hopefully we start to pick ourselves back up and not get below today's lows. So that's my main focus tomorrow, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for the support. If you did it, make sure to hit like button, subscribe button. I am back. I promise I will be posting at least 2 videos a day. And once again, let me know in the comments below if you have any other suggestions. Thank you guys and stay safe.